Zach Burns, Alex, Lee, and myself are fixing to go out. I think we're gonna hit 11 and 51 at Windrock. Lee and I pulled up last night, and Zach and Alex just got in, so should be a pretty fun day.
Zachary's got the gadget out.
Oh, that's space age, man. NASA stuff. Did you get that thing from NASA?
Yeah, I did.
Well, at the moment, it's kind of snow. Ain't that right?
That's right.
We're getting prepped before we go out here. And let's see. There she is. Right now we're at the general store, and we're headed towards G2, which we're gonna, and then hop over onto G1. We're gonna take that up to 11. This one right here with the fun rock gardens. Then we'll cut over to 51, which is Panther Rock. Let's see. There it is. So we'll run Panther Rock and test out Lee's new setup. See how that fares, and this will be my first time wheeling with the 35, so I'm looking forward to that. Well, we just hit the first rock garden on 11 up there, and Senor Lee has blown out his alternator. So he's up first, then once we finish 11, I guess he'll find an AutoZone. Huh? What? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Hell yeah.
Do you need a spot patch? Let me take a look.
You're on the transfer case. I would go forward. Back it up. You don't think that's there you go forward? He goes back here. Because he's blowing that rock. You're just startled right on that cross member. Back it up a little bit. Back it up. Okay, so just go ahead. Are you being okay with dip? Answer that question. All right. Retake it now.
When it's all when it's all done, it's hard to hide away the thoughts.
Well, I seem to have made a judgment error. And I blew the driver's side CV axle on the obstacle back there, so that should be pretty interesting. We're gonna do a trail side repair. Zach brought an extra, and you know, we'll get off 11 and head back to camp, I guess. But definitely not how I wanted this day to go, but it'd be like that sometimes.
I've lost the ways and now the escapade.
So the good news is we were able to get off of 11 unscathed pretty much, and I'm currently running 27 downhill, and we're gonna cut over to 26. And we also picked up one of Zach Burns' friends named John, who's in a GX, so we'll see how that goes, but we'll cut up 26 and call it a night. Let me know when y'all get to the big rut. Well, the saga continues. We're on 26, and excuse me, and Zach just snapped his drive shaft in half, so that's pretty interesting. Let's see what that's all about.
Get a picture of that, man.
Woo! Yeah, she's donezo, man.
I don't know. We might be able to put it together.
Yeah, let's weld that up real quick. We can fix that. That's fixable, right?
Yes, right.
Up the intensity.
Yeah.
Go 3.
Oh boy. Well, I'm no expert, but I don't think that one's coming back.